What's up people, I'm back with another video. In today's video I'm doing an unboxing of the Harry Potter mystery vinyls. The Funko Pop ones. It's legit Funko Pop. It says on the bottom there. I got this from my local Tesco's. About £5. Very good value. I'm hoping that it's very good value. It's a mystery one, so I'm just going to get right into the video. So on the top it says Harry Potter. Front. And then the back. The ones from this top that I could possibly fit. And then this one. It's focusing on Snape. This one you can get Harry, a dragon, Hermione, orange pixie, Ron, an owl, owl, Snape, Jason, Luna, Vestal, Bellatrix, a Dementor, the mermaids, and a Grindelwald. Let's get into this. Dun, 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 dun. I'm going to stop that because I don't want this video to be taken off. Oh, it's back. I feel a hat. It's gonna be Harry, Ron, Hermione. See if I can tell. I feel glasses. I think it's Harry. Oh! It's me, Ronald Weasley. It's kind of cute. That's cute. Not just cute, but then again, the paintwork on the eyes is cute. Yeah. How dare you still up? Your father and I are absolutely disgusted. Your father now facing an inquiry to work and it's entirely your fault. If you put another tear out of line, I'll bring you straight home. I know that line off by heart. Don't judge. There'll probably be a little montage of a little figure in a minute. So yeah, it's cute. Is it worth a £5? I don't really know. But this video is not going to make me get more, and this video is not sponsored. But it's cute. It will, isn't it? Can you say no to this space? So, cute montage of the cute little figurine. And I'm back. Hope you enjoyed the little montage, and yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope this gets me views. So I'll see you again in another video. I don't know if this one came out before or after the DC things, but it's you enjoyed the video, and I got freaking Weasley. Bye guys, thanks for watching.